Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about the slice. So slice is a very important shot in tennis, but a lot of people are neglecting this one because people are thinking this is a defensive shot. So when the slice, they are thinking this is a defensive, that means I'm not going to hit the ball hard, okay? So I know that this is a defensive, but I'm telling you, this shot is going to work for a lot of things in the match, to making the point or making the tactics. This shot is going to help you a lot. So I'm recommend that everybody should learn slice nicely, because in the slice you can do in the forehand also, in the slice you can do the backhand also, and in the service also you can do the slice. Lot of players are in the first serve, they do the slice. So if ball is going out of the court and opponent is returned, then whole court is open. So slice is a very vital stroke in tennis. That is the clear now. So now we know, first we always, when we learn any technique, so we first learn how to hold the racket, because for every stroke almost there is a different type of grip to hold, because now this in the modern tennis we have the different type of stroke and different type of grip. Different type of grip, so you can get the good result, okay, for the stroke. Because like if you hold the continental grip and hitting the top spin, it is not going to work. For that you need to do eastern forehand or semi-western grip to hit the top spin, okay? The same thing in the slice, you need to hold the continental grip. What I always said in my earlier video also, you can see that one grip video, you can check there, I can explain there all type of grip. Going to do again. This is the number 1, number 2, number 3. This is the 2 point here. I have the 2 mark in up and down here behind my general. So lower part I am going to put 1 and the upper part is the 2. So this is the continental grip, is a hammer grip, and few people say is a universal grip also. So that is okay. So this grip, what is the advantage of this grip? If I am ready position like this, when I turn unit turn, you can see my, like this way I can show. If I am here, if I'm unit turn also, I can see, you can see my racket is 30 degree upward, okay? And if I do the same thing in the back end, if like this, I'm not changing the grip. If I'm turning unit turn, you can see this is also the 30 degree open. So this is the natural turn, okay? And your racket is a little bit open. So in the underspin, you can't hold the racket like vertically and do the underspin. So your racket will be a little bit open. And the second thing I'm going to talk about, because I'm going to make a lot of video about the slice. So this is the basic one. So I just want to say that this is the ball. You can see the ball. So I can make like a, I can show you like a clock. This is a 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So if my ball is like this is 3 and this is 9, isn't it? So this is 12, this is the 6. So when my ball is here, so now this is the 9, this is the 3. So my racket is 30 degree up. So it is going to hit where? You can see where his ball is touching. This is the 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is the 6. So my string is going to touch 4 o'clock. So 4 to 6 I can do. So most of the people hitting 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, and then ball is going up and spinning like this, okay? So it is going to stay there, spinning there and going to ball is going to stay there. So now, I just want to, from here in the backhand, if ball is like this, it's a 12, 6, 3, 9. So when my ball is going to, my racket is going to touch, it's the 8 o'clock. So 8 to 6. So this forehand, we are going to hit the 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, and here is the 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, okay? But this is in the net height level, okay? This is the very clear about, just keep it in mind, okay? This slice is for the net level or lower than the shoulder. In the chest level or belly level or waist level, this is okay. So if I can hit like this, this is the 4 o'clock, I can hit 4 to 6 is okay. But if my ball is over my shoulder, okay, in the shoulder height or little bit high, that time I'm going to hit 3 o'clock and then coming to the 5, okay? So if high ball here and I'm going to hit 3 o'clock, then ball is going deep near the baseline, okay? Can you come here? Can you give me one ball? Then same thing, if I will do here in the backhand, little high ball, I'm going to hit 9 o'clock and then going to till 7, okay? Sorry. Ball there. The clay court is sometimes, this is SSTC code, okay? 1 and this 9 o'clock, and you can see I'm doing very good. So this one I just explained. Now give me the ball. So first thing. The second one now. The second thing, how we can learn, how we can, for the kids, how we can teach them. So first thing, I will hold the racket like this. I also explained before also that I will bounce the ball like this, and then I will bounce this. So hand-eye coordination you can improve, and then after that we can come here and you can hold like this. Okay, this one you can do. This is the one thing. After that I'm holding the continental grip, and then I'm going to spin the ball. I'm spinning the ball like this, because in the volley, in the slice also I'm doing the same thing. So I will leave the ball, and you can see I'm doing same thing and doing because this. So this is the for practice. Can you give me one more ball? Same thing in the backhand. You can hold the continental grip, and I can bounce like this, and then sometime like this, and then I can do bounce here, coming and bouncing. I'm brushing, and then brushing and leaving, ball coming to me. I'm brushing, coming to me. I'm brushing and coming to me, and then again I'm brushing. So this is the brush we need to learn. Okay. Then after that it's finished. Then I'm going to do the backhand slice. Can you treat me two balls? So this is the coordination I already did. How we can start to learn about the slice. Because can you give me the ball? So I just want to explain one more thing. That if ball is rolling like this is the top spin. If ball is doing the slice, it is under spin. And when we do the serve, ball is moving like this. So this is the top spin. Okay. So there are three types of spin, and in the slice we are using the under spin. So that one also I wanted to clear. Okay. So now if I get the ball, so when ball is coming, I'm keeping my head little bit open over my shoulder, racket head. My elbow is up. If my elbow is closed, I can't do it. So my elbow up. When ball will come, I'm going to do 8 o'clock and little bit slice. Can you give me one more ball? One, and then I'm doing this. So this is just what I did from here to here. But now I want to tell you that what people are doing wrong. I'm doing good, but the people, when the kids are coming to play, they are having a lot of problems. But there are few problems is measured to the 90%, 80% players are doing. What they are doing, they are chopping the ball. They are chopping the ball like this, okay? Coming here, down. Same thing in the forehand also, they are chopping. No, this is not going to chop. So first I want to clear about that suppose I'm having one bunch of the butter, okay? One big butter seal here I am having. So my racket is coming. So they are saying the slice. So how I do slice? I don't want to slice halfway in the butter, okay? So I'm coming here. So I'm slicing and I'm little bit down and then going up. So my racket is the butter is here. So my racket is going the upper part of the butter. I'm taking a very thin slice over the butter. I think I cleared that one, okay? So from here, it's here and here. So just I'm going racket like this. So and second mistake is people are doing this and going like this. So my racket is crossing to my body line. This is line. So I am going to stay here, and then my left hand you can see I'm here. And when I'm coming here, my left hand is going back behind, because my hand is right hand going forward, my left hand going forward, backward. So I'm in the balance. So when I will do ready position, ball coming, big step, I'm sideways, ball coming, racket head up, little bit open, elbow up. I'm watching the ball over my shoulder, and then I'm hitting, and I'm just little bit butter slicing over the butter, and racket finish here, not going to here, not opening the shoulder. So this is the basic one. I'm going to hit few balls, and now you can understand how I'm doing. So 5 balls I'm going to hit. So I'm staying here. I'm going down the line. Ready? So it's a ball here. 1, 2, okay. 3. You can see this, the deep ball, and this. I'm right foot forward, and when I'm here, I'm going. So my leg is going a little bit short ball. So I'm a little bit karaoke step, but this one you don't need to do now. But I'm just trying. Can you go a little more deep? This one and this one. Can you see that? Beautiful slice, okay? So I want to do few more. If camera is going to more back, so you can understand how I'm doing. So now you understand, okay? I'm doing the slice. Sometimes I'm doing the forehand slice also. So this is the basic. You can turn a little bit, hit the ball. I know this is the defensive type, but next time when we learn how we can hit the ball on the rise, then it will going to help for the advance to make the points. And after that, it is also going to help the attack to the opponent for the approach shot. So we are going to the next for that one. So thank you for the watching, and I hope this video is going to help for the kids for the how to hit the ball slice. Okay, thank you very much, and please keep watching and please subscribe our channel and put the bell button so it will go to you very fast very soon when I release other video also. So thank you very much. Bye bye.